On the next Quilt Show, Judy Gauthier is her name, and those wild bins of scraps are what she's going to tame.
If you love scrap quilting or want to learn about it but you feel a little paralyzed, Judy is here to get you moving.
Judy teaches you simple color theory and a method for organizing your scraps that will help you get a grip on your stash.
Plus, see her quick cutting techniques for cutting up odd-shaped scraps. It's really smart.
And as a quilt shop owner, she sees where scrap quilters regularly get derailed, and she's giving tips on how to get you back on track.
They mix very, very well, especially in scrap quilts, because if you've got a large tub of background fabrics, it's a great way to use them up in your scrap quilts. They really go well.
It's a full hour devoted to scraps.
Join us on the next Quilt Show.